Hello and welcome to this ETZ video for rate code entry. Within this video we'll be going through the process of adding rate codes into the system and the various different options that you have. Rate codes such as daily rates, hourly rates and overtime rates, which will appear on your sales and purchase invoices, are the first records which need to be entered within ETZ and can be entered from reference data and rate code entry. Here you will see a list of the rate codes you currently have within the system. To add a new rate, you simply click on the Add New Rate Code button, located here at the bottom. The description field is where you would identify what rate is being used and is what will be displayed on your sales and purchase invoices. Pay code and bill code. This is used when importing rate codes into ETZ. The codes used here will be the codes or IDs that you have for the pay and bill on your CRM system. Nominal code for pay and bill codes. You need to enter your sales nominal codes and purchase nominal codes in these fields to export into your accounts packages. Rate type entry. There are several categories that can be used which reflect the type of rate applied to the assignment. The basic ones you will need to use are unit rate, which covers a standard daily rate and a standard hourly rate. Overtime rate, brackets, hours. This covers overtime rates on an hourly basis and will be used when the system is required to calculate the overtime. Called out, where we have daily, hours and units. This is a call out rate and the daily, hourly or units value rates can be used according to the units of the timesheet. Standby, bracket, hours. This will be used for an hourly rate. Standby, brackets, units. This will be used when the candidate is required to enter the number of units worked and the units are not necessarily hours or days. Permanent fee. This is the rate code for your permanent fee assignments, if applicable. On cost and commission. You must have at least one on rate code set up if you are using on cost and commission on the assignment. Allowance. This rate code will be available for selection on the assignment costing for an allowance type rate. For expense rate items, please enter the rate code under reference data and expense code entry. This will be covered in a separate video. Timesheet header. These can be used as small headers on the timesheet. For example, daily rate could be reflected as day, hourly could be reflected as hour, and overtime could be reflected as OVT. Apply sales tax. This determines whether to apply sales tax on invoices for this rate. Removing this tick will prevent sales tax from being applied to the rate. Summarize on invoice. This particular functionality is specific for Australia and New Zealand. If you are a UK agency, please ignore. Once you have finalised your rate code setup, you may press the Update button to save the rate code. You need to ensure that all of your rate codes are set up and completed before you proceed to the next stage. Thank you for watching this ETZ video. For additional help on the system, please contact support. For more information, please see our knowledge base.